Okay, hey guys, it is Friday, July 10th, and woo, we are headed fishing. As you can see, our fishing poles are in the back. And yeah, where are we going? Rama to fish. That, and it's not really far. It's probably like 30 minutes from Baton Rouge, so that's where we're going. We're meeting everyone at the gas station in Port Allen? In Port Allen. So we're gonna link up there, and then we're all gonna like tell each other to our destination. Still waiting, y'all. So I got me some breakfast from Waffle House. It's literally right there in the parking lot. So I'm about to eat. Yo, we got to go on this rocky road. We got to go on this rocky road, I guess, to get to the bank. The bank where we fishing at. What the fishing license looked like. We got it for one day. It was only $5. So I was just like, what the hey? I might as well get it. Look at him being it.
Oh, you got it?
Y'all got y'all license?
Miracle don't need none. Oh, no.
Big boots, y'all. Lord.
You still got your chills back there. I hope it stays just like this. Kennedy, oh, I got a cigarette.
Y'all hear these big boots? Lord, they gonna trip me. What the thing is? I feel like Lastianica from the Proud Family. Where we gonna start there? Right here. Y'all, they said they be having snakes in the trees, and I'm just trying to figure out. Cause first thing I see, I'm jetting. The chicken liver she claims she wanted so bad. Ugh. Man, you don't know what you doing.
I'm finna catch a fish.
Lego.
See, that's the same problem I've been having.
Y'all just not throwing it right. That's the problem.
Come on, let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over here.
Yeah, y'all don't know what y'all doing.
Tijuana. Come on now.
All them things gonna get hooked up.
I know, and I'm getting claustrophobic because they all surrounded me. There you, yeah, Miracle.
Okay, hold and do what?
Let go.
A fish out there, y'all. Y'all need to go out there.
Fish right there too.
Yeah, Mom.
Mine ain't working. I wanted mine to go. I'm catfishing. I'm catfish out there in the middle. Oh.
You got to stand up and throw. Update. An hour in, nobody has caught anything.
And my worm's still on here.
Nobody has caught a ting. You hear me? Nothing. That is ridiculous.
Don't knock the shit out of me.
Tisha, what you doing, Miss Chancellor?
I'm concentrating.
Yeah. Like she on a yacht somewhere. Yeah. So y'all don't see the alligator? It's right there.
This thing's small.
Wow, you caught a fish!
Hey, it's a.
Don't throw that back.
Let me see. And the worm's still on there. Time to go.
Don't throw that back. Keep it.
Please throw that back.
No.
No. No, let me take it off.
Cause he ain't
You got a picture of it?
ain't grown.
Y'all, that might be the only one we get.
He not grown.
Just take a picture.
He's still gonna fry the same.
Right there.
Stop,
Really, girl?
stop running from it. Go ahead.
Y'all.
Real.
Shit,
He
y'all.
gonna get off your line.
I see.
Oh, I see it.
Okay. Go ahead, baby. Get it, baby.
Yes, TV.
All right,
We can do it,
Get that catfish.
and the worm's still on there.
Bedtime. Now, I don't know how to get these off.
I've had enough of this outside life. I'm really sleepy. Didn't get any rest last night, so I'm very tired. I'm ready to go. She caught another fish. Yay, TV. Woo! She the only one out here catching anything.
I wish she catch one worth frying.
That one back there, that was big. Baby, turn around.
Look at this alligator. It's getting closer and closer.
Hold it. Oh.
Is.
Catch him, darling. Cast the line out there and catch the alligator. I want the alligator.
You don't?
That thing getting closer and closer.
Right. It looks so on the camera, but he's literally right there.
He's coming this way.
He is. You see him looking?
Yeah, he's looking.
At this point, I'm just ready to go home, shower, and lay down.
Get you some rest.
They act like they're not ready to go.
Damn it, you done quit?
Mr. Kenny, you ready to go?
Yes.
Me too.
You done quit?
Yeah, I quit. That pole, I think, is too old. It's just not functioning right.
All right.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
No, because I do good with T-Vet.
I gotta go so I can get ready for my appointment.
It's that pole. Oh, your appointment today? Kennedy, get back.
Damn
Get back.
it!
Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Grab my hand, darling.
Come on, come on.
Y'all, please hurry.
Grab my hand.
Just grab my hand.
Well, our fishing trip has come to an abrupt end, as it should have. We were all ready to go and tired. Nobody really caught any fish besides, well, they caught like a few, maybe like 5 total. 5 total. And we've been out here like 4 hours. But we're leaving. We finna leave though. Me too. I was gonna say, is this for my face? Look at how dirty my face is from all of that. Oh. That's why I don't like outside. I just cleaned my face this morning. What is this music? I look like I got a 10, huh? Come on. I look like I got a 10? I know. Woo! Bye-bye. I don't know if y'all can hear it because we got all these fans going. My lashes are literally about to fly off. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? But we having movie night outside. Period. It's dark.
I gotta give you taking sandals.
Y'all, we are having our little family picnic. Today is Saturday. We finna play bingo right now. Y'all see the water slide in the back? Yeah. Wait. Here. Not camera shot. We finna play. Come on. I don't have no chips. But yeah, we're playing bingo right now. It's hot. I just won bingo. Just won because I won bingo. A Chick-fil-A gift card.
Here, pick it up.
Yeah. Y'all, some quiet. Look at her.
The foot part.
Fat ass. Say hey to the vlog, cousin.
What's happening? What's up?
Is you high?
No.
Oh, okay. What you doing, E?
About to get wet.
This the vlog.
That's the vlog. What
Yep.
vlog? You need to bring my shoes in.
Huh?
Plug it up into that.
He said plug it up into that.
It plugs up into that.
Oh,
I know.
that.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, get in there. Get in there.
Nigga. Down to the vlog, Denicia. Denicia. Yeah, it's me. Right. What you do? Y'all so cute. Hey, you know what? You need to get back in to clean up. Look at Kenny. Hey, what you did?
Wait, I done peed on myself. Wait, y'all, I done peed on myself.
You did? You almost broke your neck. Tisha, go take a bath. Oh my God, I look sweaty as fuck. We finna do sack race now, y'all. I won 2 gifts from 2 games. You know, like, it's just in me. Like, it gotta be in you to win.
No, it's 6 people.
Sack race.
How many people are here? Because we may have to do 2 games. That way everybody get a chance.
Winning a gift?
Yeah.
They have 11 people.
So you gonna win, Eric?
Of course.
That's so funny. They finna fucking bust their ass.
You video.
I am. I'm vlogging. Yeah, I won 2 games. I'm gonna let y'all have this because I won 2 games already. So y'all can have this little game. But see, volleyball, I'm playing.
6 person. 10.
Okay, yeah. It's me. I thought she was going to split us up.
It is split up though. I think. Oh no, it's not. So all T-Vet. All 6 of them going to at one time. Yeah. Come over here.
Y'all want me to get y'all a head start?
She said they finna move the truck so they can watch.
TJ.
Y'all have to line up with that chair.
Denise, you stood up.
On the count of 3. 1. 1.
Yo, you said come to you.
Why you
So I came to you. I came to you.
Y'all, I got a headache.
Y'all took that one. Okay.
My girl.
Okay, you gotta go get a gift from over there.
But you're not gonna do it again?
Man, you cheated.
Go again.
How he chipped?
Nope.
Right.
Y'all, we just sitting outside. We had some homemade jambalaya and now they're boiling some turkey wings so that we can fry them. But other than that, we just chilling. And I had like 2 daiquiris, so I'm kind of like, you know. But I'm trying to do my home too. And, you know. Josh! But yeah, we just cooling. That's all. I'm probably finna close this vlog out because it's nothing else to vlog.
I say, give me
So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video, and then y'all could just like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.